Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write text on picture in Photopea Software. So get ready started. At first, open your Photopea Software. Now you can see write text on picture. Now we're going to the firstly find one option, then click. Now click on open and fill option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now resize your picture. Now click from tick mark option. That is. Now you can see this picture in on write text. Now going to the toolbar option. Now you select from text tool option. Now click from text tool. Now type your text. Now click from tick mark option. Now click from keyboard press from Ctrl T and resize your text. Now you can see. Now click from tick mark option. Now we change the color. Now you select from color. Now choose color. Now click from OK option. That it. Now we're going to the move tool, and now you can see write text on picture in Photopea Software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.